I'm asking for a tiny favor from you. Click the like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell to become a part of our incredible community. And just a brief heads up, we're revving up for an epic XRP giveaway as we hit the 60,000 subscriber threshold. Participating in the giveaway is really easy. Just adhere to these three easy instructions. Thus, be sure you're prepared and tuned in. Additionally, to guarantee your place in the giveaway, remember to use the hashtag MoneySide in your comments. Let's explore the fascinating world of XRP now and see what's fresh as of late. After examining the facts more closely, it becomes evident that BlackRock has an almost perfect record when it comes to ETF approvals. BlackRock, a pioneer in asset management globally, is announcing a significant change in the way the traditional finance sector views digital currencies with its entry into the cryptocurrency space and Web 3.0. Their exceptional proficiency in managing the financial market is demonstrated by their almost flawless approval record for exchange traded funds, TATF funds. Recall BlackRock is an unstoppable force in the ETF market with an astounding 99.8 approval rate for each. In this case, having a broad understanding is essential. Not only have big financial institutions like JP Morgan and BlackRock been observing XRP, but they have also been actively accumulating it. According to reports and a leaked document, they put more than 7.5% of their whole wealth into XRP. A recent carefully investigated piece even suggested that BlackRock may be completely refocusing its attention from Bitcoin to XRP, indicating a substantial change in their approach to investing. This action suggests that demand in XRP is increasing, which makes the prospect of an XRP sponsored by BlackRock more likely than ever. This is where it becomes even more fascinating, though. The existence of an XRP is a recent development in the XRP narrative. Although the identity of its inventor is still unknown, this EP's existence is a crucial step towards becoming an ET. Although the XRP has reportedly been released, it is now at zero value and in the early stage, with an announcement expected any day. There's still more. There are rumors that an XRP will be released concurrently with the EP, coinciding with their respective debuts. This simultaneous publication not only makes sense, but it also shows how quickly the ETF is being developed, possibly just a few weeks after the debut of a Bitcoin ETF. The potential for XRP is enormous when we examine this in the context of Bitcoin's rise to $43,000 even prior to the introduction of its expected to receive approval soon from the Securities and Exchange Commission of the United States. In fact, we were just talking about a freshly released article yesterday. It was discovered that an XRPTF might be on the horizon based on a leaked research from none other than BlackRock. This leak suggested that export would soon file for an ETF. Excitement was increased when a prominent BlackRock analyst confirmed in public that BlackRock ETF designed particularly for XRP was launching. They even went so far as to make mention of an ETF filing involving the issuer's XR Trust. Despite my initial skepticism, I checked this out for myself and saw that it was indeed mentioned on the Delaware List of Corporations website. This is a huge event that indicates that XRP's market position is about to undergo a seismic shift that might rival or even surpass the move saw with Bitcoin's ETF. Recent studies have illuminated an important trend in the cryptocurrency space. Morgan and BlackRock have each purchased more than 7.5 million X, a clear indicator of institutional interest in cryptocurrency. In addition to hoarding XRP, BlackRock is spearheading the movement by utilizing the XRP ledger in their business practices and, most significantly, by moving forward with the launch of an XRP ET. With BlackRock's almost faultless record of approving ET, there is a very good chance that the XRP ETU will be approved. It is impossible to overestimate how much one XRP affects its value. For this reason, a $9,831 target price for XER, even though it seems ambitious, begins to make sense when you take into account all the important events that are scheduled. Consider it. XRP is positioned to assume a pivotal role in managing worldwide debt transactions, particularly considering the astounding sums involved. It is possible that between $1.08 and $1.03 quadrillion will pass through the XRP ledger, which is mostly powered by the ISDA. In addition, the BRICS countries, including Saudi Arabia, are involved, all of whom are integrating the XRP ledger into their systems, and the Republic of Palau creating its central bank digital currency on the XRP ledger. The typical combination of high volume, strong demand, and limited supply in this scenario suggests uh, soaring value per XRP. That being said, there has been a lot of talk about this lately. Some people believe my enthusiasm for XRP is merely wishful thinking. All right, perhaps they are correct, but let me say this. I really believe in embracing this optimism. I'm putting it together into a massive one, lighting it up and taking along in here. That is some really important stuff. I firmly think that there is hope. It's a lifeline, particularly when you're struggling and clinging on something. It's perfectly acceptable if you reject hope and believe it to be wishful thinking. However, I don't think that's a drawback. Let's pull each other up. That's what I always say. Anything less seems like throwing money into thin air, and we're not here for that. Our goal is to remain upbeat here. Speaking of optimism, I'm enjoying all of your thoughtful discussions and thought provoking opinions. It truly activates the brain's mechanisms. An intriguing point regarding institutions and XRP was brought up. There aren't need to purchase XRP. Leasing is an additional choice. That's a worthwhile idea to consider, isn't it? Thus, a curious thought occurred. What would happen if XRP was only purchased by investors? I looked into this further and even questioned ChatGPT about the SWIFT system's daily transaction volume. More than $7 trillion was the startling response. Recall that this only pertains to foreign trade. The quadrillion dollar derivatives industry is not NFTs, tokenized assets like real estate or smart contracts. Imagine now that XRP might be involved in each of these sectors, but let's focus on only international trade as that is the domain in which SWIFT works. Let's imagine what may happen if XRP with 1700 connections. Yes, Ripple and XRP he have really set a high bar here. We're to handle just $3 trillion, that's $7 trillion per day. Let's take that $7 trillion and chop it in half. That would imply that $3 trillion must remain in the system for that day. In this case, XRP might rise to a value of more than $1.50 per token. Thus, it is evident that the value would increase